Deep in the world's most remote forests live creatures so rare, most people will never see them. Today, we're uncovering 5 extremely rare monkey species you never knew existed. Prepare to be amazed by nature's most elusive primates. First up, the bald uakari from the Amazon rainforest. With fewer than 10,000 left in the wild, this crimson-faced primate is critically endangered. They live exclusively in flooded forests and can only survive in this specific ecosystem. Their bright red face actually indicates good health and attracts potential mates. Next, meet the proboscis monkey from the mangroves of Borneo. Males develop these massive noses to amplify their calls and attract females. With only 7,000 remaining, they face extinction due to palm oil plantations. Surprisingly, they're excellent swimmers and can dive underwater to escape predators. The golden snub-nosed monkey survives in China's freezing mountain forests. Their bright blue faces and upturned noses help them survive temperatures below freezing. Living at altitudes up to 14,000 feet, they're among the world's highest-dwelling primates. Only 15,000 exist, making them one of China's most endangered species. The Tapanuli orangutan was only discovered in 2017. With frizzier hair and smaller skulls, they're genetically distinct from other orangutans. Fewer than 800 individuals survive in Sumatra's remote Batang Toru forest. They're already critically endangered, making them the world's rarest great ape. These incredible primates face extinction due to habitat loss and human activity. Every day their homes disappear to make way for agriculture and development, but conservation groups and local communities are fighting to save them. By supporting wildlife conservation, we can ensure these amazing species survive for future generations. Which of these rare monkeys surprised you the most? Subscribe for more incredible wildlife discoveries you never knew existed.